Hello everyone, we are continuing with HTML fundamentals, and today in this section we will explore the script and style elements, which are two powerful tools that extend the capabilities of HTML. These elements allow developers to go beyond the basic structure of a web page and add both styling and interactivity. The style element is used to define CSS rules directly inside an HTML document. With it, we can control the visual presentation of a web page, including colors, fonts, layouts, and spacing. By using style, we ensure that our web page is not just functional but also visually appealing. And the script element, on the other hand, is used to define or reference the JavaScript code. This is what brings different behaviors and interactivity to a web page. For example, responding to different user actions, validating input, and dynamically updating different content without refreshing the page. So, together, these two elements highlight the three pillars of modern web design. HTML provides the structure, CSS controls the presentation, and JavaScript manages the behavior of the overall web page. So, moving on, the script element is used to include executable code in a web page, most often JavaScript. By default, browsers assume the code inside a script tag is JavaScript unless you specify otherwise with the type attribute. The source attribute or the src attribute allows you to link an external JavaScript file by providing its URL. So this is the preferred way when you have larger or usable code. For example, here, the JavaScript https slash example.com slash interactive content.js. Um, so if the script element does not include the source attribute, then the JavaScript code can be written directly inside the tag. For example, this way. And in short, there are two main ways of using the script element: linking to an external JavaScript file, or just write the JavaScript code directly within the element. So the style element allows a web page to include presentational directives, usually written in CSS. This is how we control the look and feel of our web page directly within the HTML file. Element is typically placed inside the head section of an HTML document because it describes the overall presentation of the document rather than the content itself. So in the example here, the style element contains a CSS rule for a paragraph tag. The rule set the margin to 1 EM, which means the paragraph text will be pushed slightly inward, creating spacing around it. So in summary, the style element initializes the design, and the paragraph tag identifies which element is being styled. And the CSS rule applies the margin property to control the spacing. That's about it for chapter 3.6. We will continue from chapter 3.7.